This 2016 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 279 RLSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Coachman is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, refrigerator, Colorado Detector, slide-out, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, microwave, TV, oven, external shower, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Coachmen Apex Ultra-Lite 279 RLSS is 5,450 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.